And I seen it here for the first time, like a random place, just about that. Yeah, I think we go out to Arena and then continue over there.
I've been out playing to this mindless abandon. This ropey idea about love and connection. Just stuck on silly ideas cause it's all you can call. You fucking class tourist who mix your social groups on. It's like you all stick together. A stronger addition. The non-created something patch, you got no invention. Just stuck on silly ideas cause it's all you can cook. This kitchen's looking sketchy, mix your chopping boards on. Nudging, you're just a mind that's spraying and praying on walls. And the after effects are making my skin crawl. You're just a mind that's saying and playing sodom. And the after effects are making my skin crawl. I've been choked into a pool of inaction. It's all commercial gain to point the seeds of destruction. It's all a tired meeting in the MO1 board. Ticking boxes with the subjects for political score. The kudos makes it float on top where it stays at. The sequence of not being that close to his face and just stuck on silly ideas cause it's all you can do. Your car ain't got no brakes, it's just laughing at you. You're just a mind that's spraying and praying on walls. And the after effects are making my skin crawl. You're just a mind that's saying and playing sodom. And the after effects are making my skin crawl.
I can drop a lyric with no need to drop a name. I do it for the pleasure, the money and the fame. You're saying that you love it, I'm saying that you're lying. I've been putting in the work, but you're barely even trying.
Stood outside and I rise, trying to act like a gangster. Stood outside and I rise, trying to act like a gangster. Stood outside and I rise, trying to act like a gangster. Stood outside and I rise. You're just a mind that's spraying and praying on walls. And the after effects are making my skin crawl. You're just a mind that's saying and playing sodom. And the after effects are making my skin crawl. You're just a mind that's spraying and praying on walls. And the after effects are making my skin crawl. You're just a mind that's saying and playing sodom. And the after effects are making my skin crawl.
Here. was a nice descent here. It's just
Savage is my name because savage is how I feel when the radio wakes me up with the words of suspected gunman. My name is a warning for the acts you are about to witness, which contain images some viewers may find disturbing. My name belongs to us all, so if they ask for yours, give them mine. My name is a threat. Pride is an unfinished grave that was dug to deposit undepleted anger, like barrels of uranium leaking into something sacred. It is a word used to delegitimize your unrest and to make your resistance into an overreaction. The big tube of thing called flesh, used in portraits of jam and affords, and men who clean up streets named after those who fought for erasing the lives they now claim to protect. What is an up-and-coming neighborhood, and where is it coming from? A cause and effect of rejoice and regret. Violence is daily life. A promise of black that the world never kept. Violence is daily life. A cause and effect of rejoice and regret. Violence is daily life. Yeah, a promise of black that the world never kept. Violence is daily life.
oh. Hello, Doggo. There you go.
Right in front of you. Oh, were you in the mud?
Mine is too tall.
Advantage being short.
Yeah. Fancy dog.
Yeah, exactly.
You alright?
Oh, scary. I'm the stupidest. You can't actually go inside. You used to be able to on the home apparently. But then
You have a new job.
I know. It's one job and I hope I do it right.
Yes, please.
Stand anymore.
Okay.